Toyota thefts surge in Queensland. Police seek public help. Queensland police are investigating a significant spike in Toyota Land Cruiser and RAV4 thefts across Brisbane, with nearly 50 vehicles stolen in just 3 weeks, October 20, November 12, 2025. Authorities are urging the public to submit any relevant dashcam footage or information that could aid in recovering the stolen cars. Rising theft rates and targeted models, the thefts include a single incident where 4 Land Cruisers were stolen from one property in Muruka, a Brisbane suburb. While one vehicle was later found in nearby Willawong, the remaining 3 remain missing. This incident underscores a broader trend. Land Cruisers and RAV4s are increasingly targeted by thieves. Data from the Royal Automobile Club of Queensland, RACQ, and Suncorp Insurance show that the Land Cruiser was already the most stolen vehicle in the state in 2024, meaning this trend has been building for some time. This isn't just a Queensland issue. Victoria has recently seen a 40% increase in vehicle theft over the past year, reaching levels not seen since 2002. Broader trends in Australian vehicle theft. Queensland's vehicle theft claims actually decreased by 11% in the year up to June 2025. But this is a national anomaly. The Courier Mail reports that overall vehicle theft in Queensland has risen by 101% over the last decade, 2015-2025, making it the second highest increase in Australia after Victoria. The surge in thefts isn't limited to specific regions. Victoria's insurance claims for stolen vehicles jumped 59% in the 2024-2025 financial year, while the national average was only 11%. This disparity suggests that certain states are facing more severe and organized criminal activity. Anti-theft measures and manufacturer response police in both Queensland and Victoria have issued guidance on preventing vehicle theft. However, some aftermarket anti-theft devices can void new car warranties, creating a dilemma for owners. Toyota Australia has not yet implemented factory-level changes to address this growing vulnerability, leaving customers exposed. Despite the increase in car thefts, no official connection has been made between the stolen vehicles, though authorities are investigating if the thefts are linked. The lack of manufacturer-side solutions and the ongoing rise in vehicle theft raise serious questions about security vulnerabilities in popular models. Until Toyota and other manufacturers address these weaknesses, vehicle theft will likely remain a growing problem for Australian drivers.